èmi ni ọmọ tó ti dé o. Èmi ni bọ̀bọ̀ ńlá celebrity herbalist. Èmi ni mo bá wọn jẹ́ ńlẹ̀ alára, mo bá wọn jẹ́ ńlẹ̀ ajérò.
Ọ̀dẹ́mẹ́wọ̀ kòkò.
Mo bá wọn dé lu oṣù mo pàdé kọ́lù tí ń bó káàdì, ó di bìzàbìzà. Ó di wàhálà o.
Now you don't carry portable enter the matter.
Ó ti lọ báwọn.
Babala, one, how far are you there?
I dey alright.
Is it actually real? The things where Babalawo they claim to do for our movies, is they actually real? Or not just playing by the scripts?
You self, you don't answer the question. So you about you say they play by the scripts for movie. Movie different from real life now.
Okay.
Now the story of something will happen for life or fiction. Now we they take do film.
Oh.
So you about we
Oh.
have the real ones so but in movies it's just we just follow the script.
Okay. So talking about the real ones now. This is like a personal question to you.
Other.
You don't actually do juju and jazz. We work for person and you work 100%. Or maybe we could not do too hard on you. 85%.
Say you want on yam.
Hey,
I know which kind of question you they ask me. The one where you they see for online, you don't believe and say not true.
No, actually, the thing I get double mind. I not go lie for you. Some of them I believe, some I don't believe. Now. So the ones where I didn't ask you now, the one where I feel say, honestly speaking, I need to know. Now, we get also the medical approach. It gets back in the days, our people they rely solely on herbs. Agbo. If you get a small sickness of a body, you get one or two things away, then concussion, then go mix together. Where we say then go give you drink. If you drink, you get a well body. But how effective? Now I use that word. How effective all those kind of concussion they in this our time? Now where medicine and science don't enter our life and our system. It's still really very effective. All those olden ways of using the herbs to heal the sick and, do all those. And before I get to that other one, answer that one first.
It dey effective. It dey very effective.
So that means you never go hospital.
I dey go hospital.
What people allow they fight for hospital?
Say as life they advance, the Oyinbo people, it get some other things where they see for body. Where medicine too they work for. But our own herbs too, it still dey work. And even get where we even take package them now. We be say after we don't do and finish, we go package them together, give you, we go use them, and it still dey work. Even they more effective past some of the medicine we Oyinbo bring. Benny.
Okay. Now to the part of Odeshi. This is what you people give them when they are going into war. They say if they throw you knife, it not go penetrate. They say if they shoot you gun, it not go penetrate. Can we try this morning?
No. Go ask the original Babalawo.
Okay, you are the internship. You be like IT.
Now online me I dey do my own.
Okay, online Babalawo. Now why you say wala oh? Now I just understand.
Alakoba.
Because too many expectations they on top of herbalist. And it do me somehow because we get cultural heritage. Whether for Igbo, whether for Yoruba, whether for Hausa, they very dominant inside the Yoruba side, the Yoruba field the way. And a lot of expectations. Some people go in with these charms to that exam. Some use and follow woman talk, especially the one where they call Yahoo. You see, the way I take color is I don't really know much about it. Then go tie the charm. Tie the charm very, very close to what they call it, the computer. I be the four words they follow the Oyinbo people talk. And then go speak. Anything where they tell me the Oyinbo do. Then go do it.
It dey work.
That is talk and do.
It talk and do dey. Now the real Babalawo them that they do am. You see that one say they go give you jazz, make you go write exam. If you no get anything for your brain, you go fail.
Okay, that mean, okay, you still need you to read book.
You go need to read. If you no read,
so this thing not even guarantee.
e no guarantee you. But you know those wicked ones, some the way they work, like those touch and follow now. That they do am for people, they work. It gets some way they, but it gets some way we say, my brother, you know they work you.
If you are in the room now with a very qualified, well anointed man of God, can you stand your powers with the powers of the Lord?
Me, I no get jazz. I don't tell you say now online I did suffer coba.
Sorry.
So all this wo.
Sorry. Why we say now? Yeah, on another visit, turn to person to beg you bag of rice because now I don't cost now for market. If you want turn me to bag of rice, at least I'll be useful to someone.
I go tell my mother, as me they give me.
That's the one to of yam now. It's not really helpful like that. For this our industry, they're not gonna make mention of jazz and this and that. You hear the latest way they talk concerning Nollywood reducing the amount of what's it they call that thing? When you have too much of jazz shown, rituals.
Money ritual.
Say most of this news it did too much, but still they forget the details. But you know what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Now new instruction will be say come out say okay, this thing the gas reduce them because of children. This, that. So, what thing you feel about that move? You feel say it essential in such a time like this?
To me, it's not a valid something.
Okay.
Because the movie where we they produce, the content where we they shoot, we they let people learn one or two things. Imagine person will go do jazz now, we run passing time, where at the end of the day he can't run mad. If you watch the movie now, you don't get attention, say you won't go do juju. You go come think and say, make my own no be like this person will go do juju, we run mad. May I wait for God time. So we they teach people lesson.
In another way.
In another way. Shall you understand? So if they put those things, now waiting they happen for life, now we they take do film. And someday will be say we will add our own as addendum, fiction. Shall you understand? Okay, so no movie where we go do where we say we no go teach people one lesson. In
correct words now, this will come out like 23rd of May. It's a FG bans money ritual, smoking scenes in Nollywood films. So go on.
So as I dey talk we na part of the things where they happen for life. And we guys they tell people say, okay, this thing no good though. This thing no good. No do this. Person will film where they watch when one person they do a share for there. Maybe say at the end of the day, maybe na one condition make and they do am. Maybe say no later can't go well for him. If people watch him, they go learn lesson. No way. There are a lot of movies where we say you go watch where these things they inside. Maybe say at the end of the day go learn one or two lessons. Say this thing no good though. Me I no do am. So if we not put those things for the film now, our people want they learn more things about say, this thing no good though. If I do am, the repercussion, if it come like this, if it come this way, if someone will stop her now, I want they teach people more lessons about what they happen.
I don't know, say Babalawo gets us like this. Oh, sorry, sir. No, sorry, no tell me to yam.
All this so.
Sorry, no verse.
I carry my horn, come here.
Sorry, sir. No verse.
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.